Welcome to our comprehensive guide on accessing your post archive on Facebook. Let's walk through the steps together. Step 1. Begin by opening the Facebook app on your Android device. Step 2. Locate and tap on the gear icon situated at the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Scroll down the menu and find the section labeled Your Activity. Tap on Activity Log within this section. Step 4. Once in the activity log, click on Archive to access and view all the items that are stored in your personal archive on Facebook. By following these simple steps, you can easily navigate and explore your post archive on Facebook using your Android device. Thank you for tuning in. We hope this guide has been informative in demonstrating how to access your post archive on Facebook. Enhance your Facebook experience by revisiting and exploring past posts and activities stored in your archive.